What's going on, guys? Welcome to day 12 of my Ftmo challenge. Let me show you guys my stats for today. I only closed one trade for today. Here's my current profit for today. Slowly getting back to that $100,000 mark. Let me show you guys a trade that I closed. So I didn't fully close it. I just took some profit from it. It's still running. So I had about like 2.4 lots on Frank JPY, and I closed 1.2 lots of it and left the other still running. So I took some profit, about $967 on that today. So that was the only trade that I closed today. Let me show you guys my MetaTrader, see how it's currently running right now. All right, so here we got currently, here it is. We're floating about $1,200. We got the Frank JPY. I closed half of this today. Took 1.2 lots, closed 1.2 lots. And as you can see, I still have the other 1.2 lots running at 950 right now, floating for that one. Got USD CAD. That one's in the negative right now. New Zealand dollar franc, floating about $300 here, doing okay. Pound AUD, that one's doing pretty okay as well. And we got AUD CAD. This one's been in the negative for a while. I've been staying in it because my exit indicator hasn't told me to leave it yet. If you guys remember, in a few videos back, it was actually doing pretty bad. Um, yeah, so I'm still running this trade until my exit indicator tells me to leave it. And then we got the CAD JPY. This is the OG. Had this trade open since the beginning of the challenge. Took some profit from it. Left the rest of the lot still running. So yeah, so this is going to probably stay open as well until my exit indicator tells me to get out of it so I can take the rest of the profit. But here we are. As you can see, my equity at 95,000, and just can't wait to complete this challenge. After this is the verification phase, so can't wait to get to that part. But yeah, so that's my stats for today, guys. I appreciate you guys for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.